Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Google Business Profile Manager and signing in with the account you want tied to the listing. Once signed in, enter the exact business name and choose the most specific category. This controls search relevance. Next, add the public address or select service area mode if you visit customers. Make sure your phone and website are accurate. While entering details, upload your logo and one hero photo so the page loads with visual credibility. Once initial details are saved, request verification. Postcard is most common. Phone or email may be available instantly for some accounts. Verification proves you control the location, so follow the instructions and enter the code promptly. Next, flesh out profiles. Add accurate hours and special hours for holidays, list services and prices where applicable, and choose attributes that matter to customers. Then write a focused description explaining what you do and who you serve, using natural keywords rather than stuffing terms. To complete setup, publish at least one post and add multiple photos showing interiors, exteriors, and signature products. Once done, ask satisfied customers for reviews and reply to every review promptly to boost rankings. Make sure messaging and booking options are enabled if you use them. If something goes wrong, like duplicate entries or ownership conflicts, search the profile for duplicates, claim any other listings, and use the Help menu to request ownership transfer or report a problem. This resolves most verification and visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.